Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to resize images in Canva. To begin, we will need to determine which sheet or paper size you want to purchase. In this example, we will use one 9 by 12.75, one of the sheet sizes offered through our single image programs. Step 1. Start at Canva's home page. Then, select the Custom Size button located on the right side. Once you click on the button, a drop-down menu will appear. In the Custom Size drop-down menu, change the default unit of measure from pixels to inches. Once it changes to inches, you can then enter the width of 12.75 and the height as 9 as shown in this video. Then click Create New Design. Under the File menu found in the top left corner, select the Show Ruler and Guides option to turn the rulers on the preview window, or tap on Upload. Upload your art file from your computer by clicking on Uploads on the left-hand side. Canva accepts SVG, PNG, PDF, TIF, or JPG. In this example, we use a SVG or Scalable Vector Graphic. Then, click Upload Files and select the file from your computer. Tip: if you plan to order a one-color heat transfer, we recommend uploading your file filled in black. This way, you can see the artwork easily when resizing it through Canva. Next, click on the image to add it to the canvas or drag into the canvas. Drag your image to the left corner and click it one time. Now, drag the right lower node and you will see the measurement appear as you drag and enlarge the file. Continue dragging the file until you've made it the size you want. We went to the edges of the canvas as we wanted to resize the artwork as large as it could fit on the sheet. You can then center the image by dragging it to the middle. Next, click File in the top menu and click the file name to edit. Enter the name of your art. This is optional unless renamed. The default name will be untitled. Select Download from the top menu. On the right, you will see a drop-down menu to select your file type. We recommend selecting the PDF print, best for printing option. Then change the default from RGB to CMYK. Your downloaded image will now be resized to fit the 9 by 12.75 sheet size. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.